Hey Explorers, Kid Explorer here, and today I am here at the Holiday Inn Express in Old Town San Diego, and I'm going to take you a tour of this hotel room and show you something that you can do nearby. So make sure you stay all the way to the end so you can see and learn more about this hotel and its surroundings. So let's get into today's video. Before we do, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It is free for you to do so, and it helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into today's video. First up on this tour of the Holiday Inn Express near San Diego's airport in Old Town San Diego is breakfast. Breakfast is complimentary, it is full breakfast, and is available from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. It is in the first building right off from the reception area where you check in, and also right off from that reception area is a lovely mini mart. And I'll talk about it more a little bit later in the video, but you cannot charge to your room when you get things from this mini mart. So now we're gonna head over to the second building, which is actually where I stayed. But in between both the first and second building, you do have a nice outside seating area where you look at the I-5, and then there's also the workout room. Before we head up to my room for a tour, we're gonna check out the pool. It was cold this day, so not really many people were outside, but the pool looks really nice. So now let's head up to my room to check out what's inside and how I feel about this room. I did not do this when I checked in, so the bed's gonna be a little wrecked, the bathroom's gonna be a little wrecked because I came in and I was tired. Hey, but now I'm refreshed and here to take you on a tour of the hotel. So let's check out this room. So when you come in the room, right by the door is your safe and little kitchenette area. Your fridge in here. That. Right next to this entry area is a closet. Oh, the light does not work in the closet. What is this? Oh, it's a light above the closet. Okay. That's really helpful. And like I said, I have been staying in here. I came in, checked in, and relaxed. I did not take a video, so I slept there. And I bring my own pillowcase. It's more comfy to me. Here's the two beds. Across from the beds, you have a luggage rack, shoes, have your TV, desk space. There is an AC heat unit in here, fan. And when you come across, this is the view. This is the view. I-5, Interstate 5, massive highway that goes through San Diego. And right across from here is the airport. Here's the bathroom. Nice shower area. And a nice sink area. So let's talk about this hotel, this room real quick. The bed was comfy, had no issues there, nice and spacious room. What I liked about it is because it is close to the airport, and if you saw my previous video, I actually crossed back over from Tijuana from Mexico into San Diego, and so I just wanted to stay here one night before flying back home. But what I don't like is that the freeway is right next to this room. So if you do stay here, request a room that is not next to the freeway. It is loud, there's no white noise machine, and it's coming right through the window. I fortunately had some earplugs in my bag, and I had to use them last night to not hear the constant traffic going down I-5. But they do have an airport shuttle that's included with your stay. So you just, when you check in, you tell them what time you need to leave. They only leave on the hours, so 12, 1, 2, and they will take you to the airport. And mine leaves at 12, so fortunately I can have a later checkout to get that shuttle. Also, there are two buildings. So I am in the second building where the lobby is not located, and there is a vending machine in here and it does not work. So you have to go out back to the other building if you want to get snacks or something to drink at any time during the day, and you can't charge it to the room. That's stupid. So I walked all the way over there. It's like, can you charge it to the room? Oh no, we only take cash or credit cards. No charging to the room. So you don't have options to get any snacks or drinks over here. Gotta walk over there after I'm rested in my room, and then you can't even charge the room. So those are pros and cons of staying here. I have left the hotel. It was really noisy from like the highway and air traffic, but I am walking from the hotel to Old San Diego State Park. It's about a 17-minute walk from the hotel. Obviously, you can take a ride sharing and it'll only be 2 minutes. So I was like, we're gonna do a walk. I stayed there too long because I am going to the airport today. But it's a very peaceful neighborhood. There are homes, there's a charter school, there's a pet clinic, and all types of stuff on the way. But let me continue walking, and I'll see you when we get to the park. As I wandered through Old Town San Diego, I wound up on the Whaley House. I had never been here and decided to check it out for $14 for a tour.
So they're pushing 150 is our estimate. One of the ones in back still eating fruit, so we do get fresh pepper grows in. So a lot of great history. All of the furniture on this side is from the 1871 Port of San Diego.
Now the price is going to vary depending on if you have an evening or day tour. Day tours are self-guided, and you do have an introduction from a guide at the beginning of the tour. That guide will also check on you while you're in the house every once in a while. Evening tours, you should book a reservation and you'll spend a certain amount of time in the house. And there's also a paranormal activity tour that has a different pricing and timing as well. But as you're in the Whaley House, you'll get to see artifacts, a courthouse, the home, and all different things. And you may experience paranormal activity from what I have been told. I fortunately did not. I don't know how I would handle a ghost or something reaching out to me or having some type of feeling, but there has been stories of paranormal activity while inside the Whaley House. This is due to a lot of different deaths inside the house, such as family members of Thomas Whaley, people in this theater who acted here. I think they only could have it one night, if I remember from the tour, because of deaths during the performance or at the theater or afterwards. From the courthouse, there's all types of different things that happen here, so definitely check out a tour to get more about the paranormal activity. If you're also in Old Town San Diego, you can check out a lot of different restaurants and a variety of different activities, or take a trolley tour. So on the way to the Old Town San Diego State Park, you walk through Old Town, which I went to years ago with my mom, and I was like, oh, I didn't go into this Whaley House before. The Whaley House is actually a haunted place, and you can go on ghost tours in the evening, but I decided to go there. It was like $14 and check that out. And then when I walked up, somebody had glasses for the eclipse. There was a partial coverage here in California, so got to peek at that. So that was cool. Now back to my hotel and trying to figure out if I will stay there an hour or just go sit at the airport, because my flight has now been delayed another hour. So dandy. But coming down here, you can go to the park or come to Old Town San Diego if you're staying at the Holiday Inn Express. It'll be a nice place to enjoy, indeed. All right, explorers, I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Holiday Inn Express, Old Town San Diego, and its surrounding areas. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. It is free for you to do so and helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. And if you're interested in supporting my channel even more, you can hit the thanks button to give me a little tip, or check out my blog at keytoexplorer.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.